In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use Skate's platform. The first step is signing up for Skate. Click Sign Up and fill in your contact information and set a password. Then you'll be prompted to verify your email address. Once you've successfully created your Skate account, you'll also create your organization and be able to upload a logo. From here, you can select your trial plan with no credit card required. Click on Start Free Trial and Continue, and voila, you're all set. So using Skate, you can create and upload jobs. Click on Create New Job at the top right corner, then fill out the job details, including job name, description, address, and upload your relevant job files. Then click Create Job. Once created successfully, you'll see your job listed under My Jobs. You can view your jobs in List View here, or using the map on the upper right corner. Here's another job as an example. Using the map view, you can also view parcel information on our supported counties. Under the Public Jobs tab, you can see all of the jobs that people have listed for public viewing. If you want, you can even list your own.